Right, first things first, safety, check up the car, get some chocks, front wheels, in first gear. What we're doing is we're chopping off that end bit of the pipe right up as far as we can get close to the back box to install a nice new chrome one, our through pipe. Doing it lovely. If you look at this end, we're going to be using that bung just there. Perfect place. Thank you, Honda. Let's crack on. Well, we cut the back box off as far as we got. We stuck a new one on. I'm just going to clamp it all down. There's the one over there, look. Right, there's a finished product. Lovely jubbly, look at that. Unfortunately, we didn't have a bracket. That's going to be done at another date. That's just a Jubilee clip with a bit of fire putty to seal it all. That seals it and the exhaust gets nice and warm. Make a lovely seal. Look at that. What a wonderful job. Lovely jubbly, job done. Let's give it a listen.